2013 has been an exciting year for motorcycles with the launch of the updated Duke 390 and the launch of the Triumph 400 Twins. And probably another motorcycle that was showcased and launched was the Aprilia RS 457. And finally, we get to ride it here at Kari at the racetrack in Coimbatore, and this is what we have to think. Hello everybody, this is Raj. Welcome to Express Drives. Let's start straight with the design. The RS 457 is based on a twin spar frame like its older siblings, while also borrowing design cues from them like the twin headlight setup and the short tail section. This, coupled with an underbelly exhaust, give the baby Aprilia a sporty yet clean look. As one may wonder, the motorcycle does have a sporty seating position, but the clip-ons are a bit relaxed and the overall position is not too aggressive. That said, the bars are wide enough to give the rider enough leverage, while the seat height is not too tall either. Moving on to the ride and handling part, the Aprilia's twin-cylinder engine is quite buzzy at idle, but that soon disappears as soon as the revs build up. Riding it on the Kari racetrack, we were impressed by its handling and the way the twin-cylinder loves to build power. It is not as smooth as the Ninja 400, nor is it as aggressive as the KTM 390, but it has its own charms with a hint of a larger V4 but with two less cylinders. The 6-speed gearbox is slick, however, we do wish it had a quick shifter, at least as an option. The suspension has adjustability at the front and rear, while they did do a good job. What we would like to change are the tires, swapping the stock ones to more stickier rubber, but that's what I do on a personal choice. That said, on the electronics front, the RS 457 gets 3 levels of traction control, dual channel ABS that can be turned off, and 3 ride modes. Since we were on the racetrack, the traction control was set to its least intrusive setting with the ABS turned off. However, dialing up the safety net, the traction control was not that intrusive. However, when ridden out on road in daily conditions, this will reveal how effective or intrusive the system is. This is something we look forward to. The RS 457 gets a TFT display and the essential data is laid out pretty well and is easy to read. It also offers connectivity options, but the motorcycles we rode did not have them. Also, phone connectivity on a racetrack makes no sense. Going through the various functions on the menu is simple and the switchgear feels premium, although they are simple. That's a win in our books. There are a couple of things that could have been better though, starting with the brakes, as just 15 minutes into our track time saw considerable brake fade. But again, not everyone will be pushing the motorcycle on the racetrack every day. The next item that stood out was the design of the side stand, which in my opinion looks like it was thought of at the very last minute. So after spending some time with the Aprilia RS 457 at the racetrack, what do we think? Well, this is definitely an interesting motorcycle. This offers the fun part which the KTM offers without all the madness. And if you're in the market looking for a motorcycle, we would definitely recommend you to consider the 457. However, there are a couple of things that you will have to look out for. For one, in my personal opinion, is the ugly side stand. But leaving that apart, this is definitely a motorcycle worth looking at.